Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an incredible tool that's transforming design, Recraft. Whether you're a pro or a total beginner, this tool helps you create stunning visuals effortlessly. Let's jump in and learn how to master it in just a few steps. Recraft is an AI-powered design tool that simplifies creating high-quality visuals. It's perfect for social media graphics, website visuals, or personal projects. Think of it as your virtual design assistant. Key features include AI image generation, advanced editing tools, and even style customization. Plus, it's super user-friendly and saves you tons of time. Step 1. Head to recraft.ai and sign up. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where all the magic happens. Step 2. Click Create New Project. Choose between raster images for pixel-based designs or vector images for scalable designs. Select what you need, and you're ready to start. Step 3. In the prompt box, type a description of what you want, like a sunset over a mountain range. Click Recraft, and within seconds, you'll have a unique AI-generated design. Here's where Recraft shines. Its advanced editing tools let you refine your designs with precision. Let's break them down. 1. Modify area. Highlight part of the image and type a new description to change it. For instance, turn a tree into an autumn scene with orange leaves. The change blends seamlessly with the rest of the design. 2. Erase area. Remove distractions by selecting the unwanted element and erasing it. Recraft automatically fills the gap to keep your design cohesive. 3. Recolor. Select a design element and apply a new color palette. It's perfect for creating seasonal variations or matching your brand colors. 4. Upscale. Need higher resolution? The Upscale tool enhances image quality, making it perfect for prints or large-scale use. 5. Focus area adjustments. Highlight specific areas to adjust brightness, contrast, or sharpness. This is great for emphasizing key elements in your design. Why choose Recraft? It saves time, makes design accessible for everyone, and ensures consistent branding. Plus, you can customize styles to reflect your unique aesthetic. Look at these transformations. Whether it's for a personal project or a business, Recraft helps you stand out. Here's some quick tips to level up your Recraft experience. Be specific with prompts for better results. Experiment with styles to discover what works best. Use the style training feature to ensure brand consistency. Ready to create like never before? Try Recraft today at recraft.ai. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy designing!